Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video, we're going to walk you through Module 2, Lesson number 3. Give you a quick overview of what you can expect from that particular lesson. So this lesson is counting arrays. So if we go ahead and look at the code, I'll go ahead and run this program just to show you what happens. It basically asks me for a number of random numbers to generate. So let's say I say 10. So you can see it's going to basically print out 10 numbers of dollar amounts, going to sum them up, 554 in this case, and then it's going to print out the fewest bills that you could collect to pay off this debt, at least if you're paying it off to one debtor. So you can see $500 bill, $150 bill, and $2 bill, because we've got $2 bills working here. So let's do it again. You'll see a different configuration every time you run it. So this video is really going to walk you through a concept called counting arrays. It's just more arrays really like we did in lesson 2. But in this particular example, we're using arrays and the different elements of the array to count the different number of bills. So really handy example. This example will use methods just like the other ones. Pretty simple, but really neat stuff to learn in this lesson. So again, please check us out at hellodrdan.com for the full walkthrough of this video, creating it from scratch. Hope to see you there.